As it's been a few days since we uploaded the Red Mini video, we've had a good few views on it. Just wanted to update you on progress with it. At the moment it's a zero cost funded build, so we're just collecting pieces on the way. There's no great big budget to build it or anything like that. So this afternoon I'm just going to have a quick look around, see what we've got, see what we still need to be able to take the project further. Let's go and have a look what parts we can find. Okay, here we are in one of my hoarding part storage rooms. Just kind of show you what we've actually got for the Red Mini. So we've got LCB. That were a freebie, cleaned up, repainted. Freebie off my brother. That's a free part. We've got a inlet manifold. That one was a cheap eBay. Was it eBay? No, Facebook Marketplace. Find that. So it's been cleaned up, painted. That's ready to go on. Air filter. We have an air filter somewhere. Brakes. Right, I'll just show you. These are my original GT clocks with the black GT. Put them to one side. So we've got the 6x10 GB wheels to go on the Red Mini. So we're going to get it down onto 10-inch discs. 10-inch discs. So what I've got on here should have my, yep. So these are original Cooper S calipers, rebuilt pistons, so they should be good to go. Just want some paint that can look nice. Discs, these are another Facebook bargain. So Cooper S discs, flanges, second-hand parts but cleaned up, good to go. Quite heavy. Whoops. So what do we need there? We just need a set of pads. And we'll be there with the wheels. Facebook Marketplace find. Stainless steel RC40 with pipe. Clamp on the bottom. So here we are in his mini storage garage. Let's just go through the parts, see what extra parts we've got for this project, see if we can get it to come together. Let's have a route, see what we can find. Just get the car. This one. Indicators. That's our fake twin tank. Keep that handy. As you can see, it's marked there to go on there ready. Door seals. What's that colour? Okay. So could do with a Metro HIF 38 to go on this instead of the 44, a bit big. That's the original Mini. That's what's on it. That's the spare. Let's get the keys to See if we can get in the boot. More parts. Nice steering wheel. This was a Facebook Marketplace bargain. Just need the centre cap. Nice. Sprays, primers, all for painting. Standard air filter. Spray brakes as well. That's the master cylinder. I've already replaced that. That's the old one. Replaced that already to get the brakes working. Still some fine tuning to do on the brake. That's the door. Let's go on the other side. Okay, plan for the interior, get that wheel put on. Still missing a centre cap, but we'll see what I can do with that. Paint all the grey, top and bottom rash rails black, and just put a flat side to side rally style dashboard in. Okay, that's the interior. Oh. Parts galore. In fact, one more thing. Let's just have a look in here because I've got a feeling. Yeah, there we go. There are the lights. Okay, I knew I'd stashed them somewhere. That was a bit smudged. But we've got our light clusters to go in there. So they'll replace those, just give it more of a retro feel in line with a Mk3 Mini. I think there's some good lenses there, that's one. What's that one there? Yep. So we've got a pair of good lenses there. We've got the light clusters there. Okay, let's keep searching for parts and try and make a plan of what we're missing, what job to do next. Do a little bit more searching. Yeah. That's our Group 2 rally arches. 4 off. Some light cluster rubbers there. I don't think there's anything left over there. Plenty of glass. The old petrol tank.